Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800705b9, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters and click on the corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. Then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services associated with Windows updates, and now you will be able to update Windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.